Woo! Dude, look at it go. Oh my gosh, dude, I'm going. Gee, dude, you gotta be kidding me. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is what I asked for though, I guess, right? I asked for a fish to take me in my backing. You can see him swim backwards like that, like, you got him? That is insane. Dang, dude, that fish came. Oh, what the? Dude, no way, that's why.
That's why he was caught that. Oh, yeah, that's it. That's the better right there.
Trey's on with a fish at the base of that cliff. Had to run back, grab the net. Sorry, I'm gonna pass out. I'm so exhausted. Yeah, I got him. Yeah. He's moving faster than I am. Oh yeah. Oh dude, that is the prettiest fish. It's bigger than the. Heck yeah. Let's go. Yes.